Here's a great question that I received, especially for those of us that live down here on the Gulf Coast. Is gambling a sin? Can I go into a casino to eat? Well, first of all, if you're not a Christ follower, your only sin is that you're rejecting the Lordship of Jesus Christ. Now, if you are a Christ follower, let me say this to you, that it's about stewardship, really. If Jesus is the Lord of your life, then you don't get to choose what you do with your stuff. You are obeying Him. You've subjected yourself to His Lordship. And so, as believers, we live a life of faith. And going to a casino is not a life of faith, it's a life of chance. And the Scripture clearly says that anything that's not of faith is sin. And so, it's really a stewardship question. Are you being a good steward of your possessions by going and gambling? You know, and then there's the issue of being a witness. Is it helping or hurting your witness? Not that you can't go to a casino and eat, or even go to a casino and be a witness for Christ. But if you're going to the casino every day or every weekend, you're not going to be a witness. Chances are you have a gambling addiction and you need some help, and you need to talk to somebody. Bring this to your pastor or someone in your life that can help you to become the best you that you can possibly be. And it probably does not include gambling. In fact, I know it doesn't. So, so there you go. It's really a stewardship question. And you're representing Jesus. And are you properly representing Him by indulging in that lifestyle?